Thank you. Good morning. My name is Mark Elliott. I'm the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer for Bakkt, and I'm going to share with you today a way you can simply and securely, seamlessly offer your customers crypto into their existing trusted digital banking environment. If you've never heard of Bakkt, we're a secure and regulated technology and customer experience platform that enables banks and businesses to unlock crypto and power loyalty experiences for their customers. We really engage behind the scenes, really focused on how do we bring great experiences, great customer experiences, great brand love to your brand through your customers. We started by understanding today's customers. What kind of experiences are they really looking for? How best to meet them where they are? And we work with banks and businesses to meet them there. We work to support banks increasingly looking to be much more of a leadership position in the crypto economy, providing crypto accessibility and adoption with a turnkey solution that supports you through the entire process. While crypto, or Bitcoin specifically, was created 13 years ago, and we've all read all the stories and we've all seen what's happened over the last summer, consumer interest continues to grow and has actually begun to extend into new segments, including ones we call the crypto curious. Customers who are really excited and intrigued and interested in getting started, but feel intimidated by some of the more traditional crypto exchanges. Customer money has been leaving existing financial services companies and the existing financial ecosystem for quite some time and flowing to crypto exchanges. Those of you who work at banks or credit unions, I'm sure you've all seen the flow of funds in your own internal ACH data. It used to be easy to write this off, but it's not. It's growing in relevance and continues to grow to a broader set of customers every day. But more importantly, this exodus of funds creates an opportunity for crypto exchanges to build a relationship with these customers. As they expand their offerings, there's a risk they also expand their relationship with your customers. Instead of you deepening your relationship with your customers, they find ways to do the same. Some crypto exchanges have and continue to build products that compete directly with traditional banks, payments, lending, etc. Many banks and credit unions have really thought about providing crypto services, but the technology and regulatory complexities have been viewed as daunting and expensive, until now. With Bakkt Crypto Connect, your customers and members get simple and secure access to a regulated platform from within their existing trusted digital experience they use every day. This means you can keep your customer funds within your ecosystem while offering the opportunity to buy and sell Bitcoin and ETH in the exact same app they use to pay their bills and manage their checking account. Here's a quick walkthrough of Bakkt Crypto Connect experience from within a sample mobile banking platform. Here we have a sample brand, but you can imagine your brand here as well. This is a potential home screen for a financial institution. Imagine your colors and branding here. Our brand really acts behind the scenes, and everything is customizable to your bank or credit union's brand and customer experience standards. In their existing experience with their financial institution, your customer or member would see a new drop-down, or in this case, a menu item or button called Crypto Accounts. Customers interested, first time they're informed they need to enroll with Bakkt, but they will remain at all times within your mobile banking application and experience. At any time, the customer can back out of the process if they don't feel comfortable by tapping on Return to your bank, and just by enrolling, there's zero commitment to actually purchasing crypto. Much of the required data can be passed directly from Bakkt from the financial institution, avoiding the challenge of customers having to re-enter it with a crypto exchange. For security and compliance, all fields must be complete and terms are agreed to. Like you, we are fully KYC and AML compliant, and we want to make sure our regular records and regulatory approaches align. Once activated, the user will see this confirmation screen that their crypto account is activated and ready to use. They won't have to go through these enrollment screens again for future use. Now, with Bakkt Crypto Connect, the user has an option to buy either Bitcoin or Ether. They can buy or sell either cryptocurrency. As we introduce new coins, you can choose to offer those to your customers as well, or if you choose to decide to only offer Bitcoin, that option is entirely up to you. Let's select Bitcoin to see how an actual transaction works. The pricing chart is clean. The user can easily review the information. They might click Buy and decide to purchase $100 of Bitcoin. They can select any of their existing accounts as their funding source. That's part of the integration we do with the banks. Here it happens to be defaulting to the checking account, and you can also choose to set limits on how much crypto you want your customers to purchase. The additional confirmation screen shows the purchase price, the amount being purchased. It also shows an optional processing fee banks can decide to offer or not, and that revenue is collected by the bank directly. The user taps Buy Now, and then easy as that, they now own Bitcoin. Tapping View My Crypto enables the user to see the balance in US dollars and in Bitcoin. The price chart shows again with the record of the transaction. If you tap on the record of the transaction, you can view a more detailed transaction report. The user can then also decide to sell Bitcoin with the proceeds of the sale going directly back to the account of choice. Let's take a quick look at that experience. Maybe the user decides to sell $50 of the 100 and choose for those proceeds to go directly back into their checking account. A record of both the buy and the sell transaction are available in the account at any time. And as we tap back to the home screen, we see the balance of the checking account is back after the proceeds of the sale are back in the account. Offering your customers the ability to buy, sell, and hold crypto within your own brand experience is simple and easy to incorporate with Bakkt Crypto Connect. We have a number of options ranging from API solutions where you absorb our APIs, or we design an embedded experience where we manage, design, and host built to your brand standards, but we do all the work behind the scenes. And we also support you through the whole process, from implementation, marketing, customer care, and answering questions from regulators. I'm going to leave you with 3 things quickly. I'm out of time. One, don't wait for the next boom to start this process and start planning. We've taken again of all the regulatory complexity so you don't have to. And choose Bakkt. We'll work with you through all phases of this, from regulatory, tax reporting, marketing, educational content, and we offer 24/7 customer